Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V70 and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's go to App Manager, and here we've got the list of all apps that are currently installed on this device. And what I highly recommend to do here is to simply go through those apps and remove cache. Cache are files that are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, they are occupying the memory and they can slow down the app or the device. So just open the specific app, as I said, especially those that you're using frequently. Then go to Storage. And here we've got this cache section, so just tap on clear cache and your device will immediately remove it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.